Hey everyone, thank you for working with Wuvavi. The goal of this video is to share the new updates available on our platform today. We're striving to provide an employee cybersecurity solution that makes every employee an active participant in protecting their business and in protecting your business. I'm sure you've heard that employees are your weakest link, but I believe they are also your strongest asset to fight against cyber breaches. And our goal is to empower your employees to make the best decisions. The new release achieves a few goals for us. We want to provide more flexibility, shorten the time you spend in the platform, and make it even easier to use. We're doing this in a few ways. We're adding the ability to schedule training and phishing to be completed all at once, the way it always has been, or in short sessions over the year if you want to create year-long training campaigns. We're adding the ability to manage the length of your training programs. So for as short as 10 minutes, up to about an hour of training, depending on the needs of your business and employees. And even within your business, different employees with access to different amounts of sensitive information might require varying levels of training. And finally, we're updating UI and UX to enhance usability for administrators. So we love the way it's turned out. So enough talk, let's jump in to see what you'll be working with the next time you log into Wuvavi. If it's been a while since you've logged into Wuvavi, there's a lot of new features that we've added over the last few months. You'll have a lot more access to information, full audit trails of your employees. So I highly encourage working through this, playing around with it, and I think you'll really enjoy it. What we're releasing today and what you'll have access new to today is about the workflow of adding employees, which again gives you a lot more flexibility. So I'm going to first click on this Add Employees tab. So if you haven't used the tool before, or if you have some new employees to add this year, just go to this page and put their emails in. And that will just drop them into your database, and then you click on Enroll Employees. So this is a new page. So here you'll have all of your employee emails, and you'll be able to schedule your training and schedule your phishing. So let's say that I want to enroll all of my employees in a full cybersecurity training program or campaign. So I'm going to click this here to select all the employees, and then I have access, or I can choose which modules I want to include them in. I'm going to click all three. I'll click the start date, next step. I can choose any phishing campaign here. And then next step, I can add a welcome message, and I hit submit. And that's going to enroll everyone in the same training campaign. But let's say we want to schedule this out over the course of a year. Rather than doing all of these right now, I might do the first video now, and then come back through and choose the internet and schedule that out in 3 months. Go to the next step and submit, and then finally go to the game show, schedule this out 6 months from now, and hit next step. And that will build out a year-long training campaign in just a matter of a few minutes. You won't have to log back in. The platform will take care of everything for you. Now, in phishing, there's some new features. So you'll have new campaigns all built from the real world, or built from customers that said, hey, we saw this phishing email this week. Is that something you can mimic? So you can choose what you want to see here. If you need to see the full campaign, click this button and you'll have access to that. And if there's anything you want to see, just shoot me an email and we'll build it for you. Another new feature for phishing is this custom URL for the phishing landing page. So when one of your employees clicks on an email, they're directed to our training page. You can update that and send them wherever you want. So you may have your own internal video. You might have your own internal training landing page. You can build that out and direct them wherever you want them to go. So a lot more flexibility here, a lot more control over your training. We really appreciate you working with Wuvavi. We love this new release and we hope you find it useful. Our goal is to make every employee an active participant in cybersecurity, and that's driving our research and development team. We have some exciting new stuff coming down the pipeline, and we'll have more to share in the next cycle. But for now, thank you for your business and continued support of Wuvavi.